Hey loves, welcome back to the Green Cupcake. I have a grilled peaches recipe for you. I've done it two ways. Grilled peaches with basil and feta on flatbread, and peaches and cream, a classic. So let's get started. I've included all of the ingredients in the description below. So first we're going to cut our peaches into halves, remove the seed. Then we'll take our olive oil, a few sprinkles of olive oil onto each of the halves, and then we're gonna give it a little sprinkle of cinnamon just for a touch of cinnamony flavor, and then we're all ready to grill. Next, you're gonna preheat your grill to medium heat. Then you're going to place your peaches onto the grill. When it's nice and warm, you should hear a sizzle because of the oil. Then you're going to let them grill for about 5 minutes. You can check intermittently through it just so that they do not burn, but 5 minutes is more than enough time. For my peaches, they were a little bit on the softer side, so I switched them around about 3.5 minutes, but outdoors 5 minutes is great. Then when you're all ready to go and you have your first grill marks, you should rotate them counterclockwise to get nice grill marks in the peaches. Perfect. Once you're satisfied and they're nice and grilled, you can remove them from the grill and put them onto a plate and set them aside for now. Now that you have your peaches all nice and grilled, we'll work on our flatbread. So on a parchment paper lined baking sheet, place your flatbread. I used garlic flatbread. It was delicious, but feel free to use whatever flatbread you'd like. Then you're gonna do a nice sprinkle of olive oil, and I sliced my peaches and placed them generously around the flatbread because I love the taste of grilled peaches. Then you'll take your onions, and these are just sweet onions, and your jalapeños because I like a little spice, and then a nice helping of feta cheese, and then you're going to pop it into the oven at 375 for about 5 to 10 minutes. It won't take too long, everything's cooked. Pop them into the oven. Now that it's been about 10 minutes, it should come out nice and golden around the edges. And now we're going to top it off. So I like to use basil. I broke it apart with my fingers just so it's nicely distributed and it's not bruised. And then I finally topped it off with a nice sprinkle of balsamic vinegar. I love the tartness of the vinegar. It just went along nicely with the peaches. And you're all done. That was so simple. It was delicious, guys. I hope you try it. Bon appetit. Now let's get started on our dessert. So I had some dairy-free, gluten-free maple ice cream. This stuff's so good, and I knew it would go great with these grilled peaches. So you're just gonna take the other two halves of the grilled peaches. You can leave them whole or you can cube them, And then I topped it off with some nice organic maple syrup. I just thought it went along nicely with the peaches. And then I garnished with some mint. And this was the perfect addition to my flatbread. It was so good. It was so summery. It was so fresh. Yeah, there's nothing else to say but enjoy, guys. I hope you like these 2 grilled peaches recipes. If you do, tag me on IG, Greencupcake.home.blog, or comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, guys. I'm new out here and I'd love to see you guys subscribe to my channel. And if you do have any other suggestions on videos I should make, comment down below. Okay, take care. Have a good one. Bye.